what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you about 12 different zodiac signs in Vedic astrology. So before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please like and follow my Facebook community page Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So let's begin. So, first of all, the 12 different zodiac signs in Vedic astrology. So, I have divided into three sections. The section 1 will be about the 12 different zodiac signs. So, what are the 12 different zodiac signs? Section 2 will be about 12 different zodiac signs and their symbols with meanings. Section 3 will be about two categories of the zodiac signs. Now, coming to the section 1. So, the 12 different zodiac signs are: the first zodiac sign is Aries, second zodiac sign is Taurus, third zodiac sign is Gemini, fourth zodiac sign is Cancer, fifth zodiac sign is Leo, sixth zodiac sign is Virgo, seventh zodiac sign is Libra, eighth zodiac sign is Scorpio, ninth zodiac sign is Sagittarius, 10th zodiac sign is Capricorn, 11th zodiac sign is Aquarius, and the 12th zodiac sign is Pisces. Now, coming to the section 2, 12 different zodiac signs and their symbols with meaning. So, I forgot to add with meanings. Now, the first zodiac sign is Aries. So, the symbol name is Ram. So, character, brave, direct, independent, leader, and I'm telling the both positive and negative also. So, aggressive and bad temper are the negative character for Aries zodiac sign. Now, coming to the Taurus, the bull symbol name. So, character is steady, driven, trustworthy, stubborn, and materialistic. So, you can see the picture also. I put it the image there. So, it's the bull symbol or the bull picture you can see there, and even the ram, that is the sheep, you can see there. Now, coming to the third zodiac sign is the Gemini zodiac sign, the twins symbol name, and characters are intelligent, communicable, agile, talkative, and cunning. So, which includes both positive and negative for Gemini character. Now, coming to the fourth zodiac sign, that is the Cancer zodiac sign, the crab symbol name. Character is nurturing, supportive, unconditional love, moody, and dependent. Now, coming to the fifth zodiac sign, that is the Leo zodiac sign, the lion symbol name. The characters are charismatic, leader, brave, egoistic, and dominating. Now, the sixth zodiac sign is Virgo, the virgin symbol name. Character, modest, humble, organized, perfectionist, critical. Now, the seventh zodiac sign is the Libra, scales symbol name. Character, charming, diplomatic, easygoing, indecisive, hypocritical. Eighth zodiac sign is Scorpio, the scorpion symbol name. Character, passionate, driven, emotional, possessive, jealous. Ninth zodiac sign is Sagittarius, the center or half man and half horse symbol name. These people are very ambitious, lucky, optimistic, lazy, irresponsible, and also very charitable, you can say. Now, the 10th zodiac sign is the Capricorn zodiac sign. So, the goat symbol name. Character, strategic, determined, greedy, ruthless. Now, coming to the 11th zodiac sign, that is the Aquarius, the water bearer symbol name. Character, intelligent, inventive, impersonal, irresponsible. Now, the 12th zodiac sign is the Pisces zodiac sign. The fish is the symbol name. Character, creative, romantic, escapist, unrealistic. Now, coming to the section 3, there are actually two categories. So, the first category is signs by flexibility. The second category is signs by element. Now, coming to the first category, so there are actually three types of signs by flexibility. Those are movable, fixed, and dual. So, movable signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. So, these represent activity, movable, adaptability, change, quickness, reform, independence, moving on, flexibility, dissatisfaction, so leading to rapid change. Now, the fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. These represent steadiness, rigidity, headstrong nature, fixed, slow but steady accumulation, steady or calm, resolute, determined. So my way or highway sort of nature, loving to remain in one place or job for a long time, fixed opinion on spirituality or religion, or persistent. Now coming to the dual signs. So dual signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces. So this represents a mix of both the above and hence their dual nature, learning oriented, pedantic, philosophical, inclined to reading or writing, inclined to communicate, preach or teach, open to ideas, learning, multitasking, exploring different options all the time. Now coming to the second category. So there are actually four types of signs by element. So second category is signs by element. So the four types of signs by elements are fire, earth, wind, water. So the fire signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this represents energy, passion, aggressive, decisiveness, leadership, dominance, frank, outspoken, extroverts, brilliance, anger, hot temper, fast active, pioneering, separating, spontaneous, inspiring, self-centered, motivated, visionary, enthusiastic, lovers of activity and movement or exploration, my way or highway traits, impatient, impulsive. So these are all things are represented by the fire signs. Now coming to the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So practical, methodical, analytic, slow and steady, persevering, rising to top slowly but surely, patient, building, accumulating, practical, realistic, down to earth, nature lover of reality as opposed to fiction, imagination, fact oriented, sluggish, resilient, need business skills, knows real materialistic value of things, good in details, good planners, good managers or CEOs or directors, dependable, trustworthy. Now coming to the air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, quick thinking, intellectual, abstract thought, communicative, eager to learn, good writers or writer, spokesman, quick in physical movement, love travel and exploration, journey more important than destination, nature, great social skills, great friends, pleasant, philosophical attitude, sponge like nature for knowledge, flexible nature, harmony loving, beauty loving. So these are all the things can be seen through the air signs. Now coming to the water sign. Water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So these are very emotional, intuitive, sensitive, learning, passionate, collectors, hoarders, collectors, collect memories, articles, hard to detach, nurturing, caring, motherly attitude, forgiving, imaginative, introvert nature, secretive, psychic, dreamer, lesser physical energy, detached from the practical facts, go on to intuition as opposed to facts, natural meditation skills if developed, tendency to gain weight. So these are all the things can be seen to the water signs. So thank you. So this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below or else I will see in the next video. So if you want a consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number or else you can even mail me also. So until unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.